How to add custom font to Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to add custom font to Figma. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account, and once you've logged in, this is the interface going to show on be displayed on your account. Figma is basically about design. Make your beautiful designs on Figma, and it's very easy for you to design on Figma because necessary tools are available for design on Figma. So at the top right left corner of your screen, you see the main menu icon, and close to it you see the move tools icon, and you also see the region tools icon, you see the shapes icon, you see the creation tools icon, you see the text icon, you see the resources icon, and you see the and tools icon and the add comment icon. Also at the top right corner of your screen, you see your profile icon, you see the share icon. You can share your work or your design with your friends and your loved ones or your clients using the share icon. Also you would see the prototype view, and you see the missing font view. Since you want to learn how to add custom font to Figma, you can click on the missing font view, which is just at the top right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, it should display on your screen. But if it's not displaying, you go back to the main menu icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen, and you scroll down the drop down till you get to help an account. Once you get to help an account, you pass a little and drag your cursor to the drop down, that is the second drop down that is displayed. Then at the top of your second drop down, you see the help page. You click on help page. Right here you'll be directed to a Figma virtual agent who is ready to give responses or answers to your questions and complaints. So the first thing here on the help page says, hello, how can we help you? So you can scroll down the page to know what this is about. So you see the search box made available for your questions and complaints. You click on it, then you type in your question, how to add Now you type in how to add custom font to Figma. Once you're done typing in the question, you click enter on your laptop. Once you've clicked on enter, the answer will be displayed to you on your screen. Make sure you go through the answers closely to follow the instructions to be able to successfully add custom font to Figma. This is simply how to do it. I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to add custom fonts to Figma. Thank you.